There we go. Much better. Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's time for some Goon's Blast game development. Also, 1 second here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the music down in my game. I think that saves it. Yep, voila. So what are we doing tonight? So, what I would like to do is make some enhancements to the level editor, because it's a lot of stuff that make it very hard to use, even though it's not very feature-rich right now, and I think building on this will be important. Oh, sorry. As we move forward here. Jeez. So, how are we gonna do that? First things first, up here, this the display for like whatever block you currently have selected, I want to actually show the block up there. That's not going to be super straightforward, but it is kind of a nice thing to put in there, so we're going to work on that first. Let's make that a little wider. Might be too big. Go 150. That seems about right. I'll put an image there in a minute, but for now I'm thinking we maybe just have a white background in front of this. Need to double check something really quick. Okay, yeah, I want it under so it'll show up on top of it. Perfect. There we go. And then we'll leave that at white. I was gonna make this transparent to like not cause confusion, but I think if we have a border on it, it probably will make enough sense to just be floating there, you know? Especially since it will stay in place compared to everything else when you're moving the camera and whatnot. Okay. Oh god. No, damn it. I think this is the image I want. I guess we'll know very quickly if it is. Let me rename that, which probably current block display. I'm also gonna move it. That will definitely get rid of it, but whatever, that's fine. Alrighty. Okay, so we have a texture for this at least. God. So property UI lookup. Okay, that's kind of related, but not the same thing. Right. Right, so I need these to be sprites, which is not what these are. What the hell is all this? Okay. Or, no, I need a material. That's right. Which is not this. But there is a material of this, I think. Yeah. Okay. So, for example, if I were to do this... Interesting. Why? Okay, it's just fucking whatever. That's fine, I guess. That border is going to be too thick as is right now. Let's just bring it into like 125. There we go. Alright, so all we need to do is change the dot material. But I'm going to need a like dictionary lookup. Lookup tables. Editor lookup tables. And I'm going to need a new script as well. Similar to property UI lookup. Oh geez, my lights just flashed. Like a storm going on outside? Maybe. If my stream suddenly cuts off, well, oh well. That's all there is, I don't know. Tile display image lookup. That'll be similar to this one. What does it say? Property UI. Wait. I don't think this is in use. Oh. I see. I just used that one instead. That's kind of fair. I will need my own serializable type, though, for this. It's a little loud. I'm gonna turn it down. This definitely feels weird because I kind of have the same logic going on over and over again. Oh, right. Especially between these two, because they're almost exactly the same. Oop, what is this? The hell? Sometimes my phone just, like, has phantom notifications go off. It's very fun. Oh. Okay, we're like halfway there. What is loading? Whatever. There, it's gone now. Tile display image lookup. How many blocks do I have right now? Here, let me just start the scene and just check it out. You're in the way! Okay, unbreakable floor 1. Oh, Jesus. Player spawn, breakable wall. Okay, just those. Maybe I should make sprites out of these, actually. This should be a sprite, not a material lookup. Yeah, they should be. This is the right property, right? I feel like the music got quiet again. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. So if I were to set this, for example, like this. Okay, cool. Actually, here's a good question. Um, what folder is this in? Textures. Okay. Right, because I imported that as a sprite. Darn it. Well, I can figure that out in a second. Let's get the actual stuff wired up all the way. Do my favorite thing and add more properties to this thing, because why not? What was I doing? Oh, right, wire this up. Just pass in this guy. I just realized I'm kind of creating more work for myself. What I could do instead of all of this, I could have the actual cursor place sort of a like ghost of an image, like a faded, just actual 3D model of the object it's about to put down. I guess it wouldn't hurt to do both though, and we're already pretty much here for this, other than creating the actual images. Yeah. And if that's null, it'll just return null and clear out the sprite, which is kind of what we want. Okay, Okay, none is a type, so if I want to have a specific image for when you have nothing selected, I can do that. Otherwise, it will just normally flow through and have like a blank thing there. And what I want to do in long term with this is just actually have that be a border and not just a flat square, which is highly doable. One sec here, chat. Unity. Okay. Actually, you know what? It's just in the import settings, nothing else. Do that. Sprite mode. I think I just want single, right? Yeah. Yay! What's up, Raina? Okay, so all I need to do now is actually populate that list. We have 3 different blocks. So this will be for breakable wall brick. We put this sprite here, and then we'll need one for the player spawn and the unbreakable floor. Unfortunately, the unbreakable floor isn't actually like a texture. I think the same is true for the player sprite, or player spawn. Burger time. Burger time. I bought a grill today, since my current grill is busted, and I figured it was not worth fixing. And I'm gonna be lazy, I'm gonna use these 2 objects, even though they are not the correct thing to put in here. I mean, player spawn being the evil goon icon is probably fine enough. This is incorrect though, the floor being that. Okay, what errors is it going to throw at me? So far, so good. It works. I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Also, I don't know why I had this up here. Put it over here. Oh, I know what to do. It's gonna be really stupid, but I'm gonna do it. Damn it. Okay, hold on. Oh, that's right. You ready for the truly genius play I'm about to play here? Okay, I need to be off a little more. Alright, not that too far off. Surely there is an easier way to do this, but you know. There's one of them, and now the other. Oh no, they're transparent, so you can see the blue in the back of it. Oh, I can't see the numbers. Oh, wait, they're up top. Okay. Close enough. Alright. Damn it. Where did those files go? Chad, I need to find those images. 1 second. Where did they go? What the hell? Why are my preferences not... Oh, on the desktop. Okay. Wait. Are these... Okay, yeah, these are the right images. No, I left the cursor in! I guess I can edit it. Alright, so this is Unbreakable Block. And this is... Spawn Point. Import those to the project. Maybe that'll work. Maybe Unity will just crash. This is a disaster. That one's got the frickin' cursor in it. The other one's got the in-game editor cursor in it. Oh. Could have gone better, but that's okay. I delete these two. Of course, now that broke the reference to these things. Oh, right, I didn't delete the background. Oh, whatever, fuck it. The images aren't right anyway right now. I'll just edit them later. Cool. Alright. Thing number one crossed off the list. The next thing I want to do is... Actually, you know what? Let me commit that code. Add visual display for currently selected tile in editor. Boom. Next thing I want to do is make it so that you can hold the place block button down and it will continue adding tiles. So that'll be a bit of a change, but that'll make making levels a lot easier on both controller and in mouse and keyboard. I feel like I won't need this anymore. Or well, I'll need it elsewhere. Where is my update? There we go. I can spell. So if we're not placing tiles, or if we disable inputs, or if the current... hold on. Okay. If current tile is not null and current tile dot type is current block type, then just ignore this and don't add a block. That should create a lot less thrashing. Got coding, one language my own old lady brain can't master. What's up, Zen? How you doing? And this one's already got us covered because if the tile is null, we don't bother removing it twice. And then this should just keep happening. Okay, so yeah, we don't need another condition here. So as long as you're replacing tiles, it will try to add a tile. And then that shouldn't spam itself because it's already got stuff in there. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. I think this should work. And whether or not this is going to be like horribly non-performant, I'm not really sure. I'm not seeing like 50,000 errors going. And it is letting me place blocks without having to repress the button every single time. Oops. I can even change the tiles mid-type. One thing I should check though is the eraser. The doll seems to be working as intended. Awesome. Alright, that's two things down. Next thing I want to do... That's definitely huge, because the editor was a huge pain in the ass before that. Ooh, two things success, indeed. This one's going to be a bit harder. Let me check my list really quick. Okay. Allow press and hold block placement, done. Show currently selected tile, done. Yeah, moving the cursor with the mouse. And then the things I have after that are even harder. So, I have like, you can rotate the camera in the editor. I need to put something down to make this visible. But yeah, you can rotate it like all directions and all that stuff. But when you rotate it, like up, down, left, right remains the same. So I'm pressing W right now. Still pressing W. It's always going to go the exact same way. That's fine. That's serviceable. But like, it's also kind of like not great. Oh, let me check something with the controller really quick. Okay, yeah. So, you know, I didn't even write this on my list, but that would also be a nice thing too if you could hold a button down like directionally and have it just like start going after like waiting a second or so. That might be a good idea. Kind of like a keyboard if you like hold a button down, you know? That'll be easier to work in than the other stuff I want to put in. So maybe we'll do that next. Actually, no, I'm gonna make the mouse movement stuff now. The relative movement thing, that's gonna be a lot of math. So I'm saving that for like kind of last. I have two more things past that even. Ooh, jeez. But those are kind of like, I don't even know if these should be features or not. So like, one of them being, so when you go in and like, for example, the destructible blocks, so you can set properties for like what's inside of them. Which I forget what button I pressed. There we go. Like if something has been customized besides the default values, I wanted to like add a shader on this so it's like glowing so you know, hey, something's in there. Kind of stealing that from like, think of like Mario Maker, how like if you have a block, if something's inside of it, it has like an exclamation point on it. So you know, like, hey, I said something here. But yeah. Now we're kind of swinging for the fences, so... well, sorry, that is sort of swinging for the fences. I'm not gonna do that right away. Oh yeah, and I guess the other thing that would be pretty easy to implement is like a button to just reset the camera rotation. That, you know what, I'm bumping that up to above the relative camera movement thingy, because that's gonna be... both easier to implement, and it also could be a good stopgap if I can't figure out the math to make it move relative to where your camera's rotated currently. Anyway, the next thing I'm gonna do is making it so you can move with your mouse. I'm probably gonna add a key to, like, disable that, like, if you don't want that to happen. So that, like, you know, if you're just using the keyboard, you don't want to bump the mouse and then everything, your cursor just goes flying. So there's a couple things I need to do for that. First and foremost, we need to map an input for it. Right, so in the editor, we have our control scheme for the editor. Oh, okay, so we're already capturing the delta of the mouse. So that's already wired up. Kind of an unfortunate name, though, because I made it specific to the camera drag, but... oh well. If I ever care enough to fix it. I guess all of that would sort of just be in this file. Because if I rename it, it's just going to cause like a compilation error, because this down here will no longer be called the same thing. Or wait, this one, not the other one. What do we use this for? Oh, okay. I am going to rename this stuff because it's easier to. Wait a second, why is this called here? On rotate camera mouse. Oh, yeah, that is the start. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, damn it. Oh, also I should commit the code I just wrote. I haven't tested any of this with the controller also, which I should do. Yeah, so... why did I do this? Damn it. So because on controller, like, I'm just getting the input from your joystick, like, you don't need to press a button and then hold the joystick to rotate the camera. I sort of circumvented the need to write two individual methods that do the same thing, and did this instead. And then this just checks to make sure you're holding the button. I guess what I could do... I'll take a separate variable. That we don't care whether you're holding the button or not. Mouse. Drag. Good job, me. And that'll be a vector 2. Hmm. Okay, so wait. Oh. Oops. Forgot to refactor that properly. I can't trust rotating camera, though. I'm gonna need my own, like, dead zone for this. Maybe I should create a separate input, because I can map a separate input to the same buttons. It might be cleaner to not, like, mix it up in all this cruft. Same time, I think, fuck it, I'll just roll with it. Okay, move XZ, right? God, okay. Okay, well, we have simple commands we can call like this. I basically just need a method like this, but then with, actually, hell, I can probably steal this entirely. Oh, hey, we're about to do this. Nice. We'll be able to get rid of that. I'm gonna move this down here, though. Oh, wait. I guess I'll put it right here. Update visual indicator to player when this happens. That'll be the variable I talked about earlier of having a... Oh, I don't need a context for this. So instead of move dir, we just basically want to check... current mouse drag. That's what it is. You know, I will leave that to do there, because, well... sort of a different concern there. Pardon me. Because we're overloading the use of that mouse input, and we don't want the same dead zone for, like, the general mouse drag detection. Also, I really shouldn't have these, like, 0.75s just hard-coded. Hmm. Need to have a cooldown on this as well. Where the hell did I put that? Okay, here we go. There we go. Uh... So I'm gonna need 2 cooldown values. Mouse, cursor, move, cooldown. We'll say like half a second. So like a tenth of a second. And then button, cursor, move, cooldown. And this one will be probably, I don't know what we want for this one. It would be more or less would be better. We'll try this. I'm sure these won't be finalized anyhow, so... And that's not gonna apply to the, like, event-based one, where if a button was pressed, like, right away. This will only be the ones in the update loop. I was gonna write it to do there, but we're about to do that like right away, so. I also want to have the mouse scroll, move it up and down. But that's, okay. And then in here, have to go put brackets around all this junk, but that's okay. Need to do this in the other spot too, as well as the new method I'll need to write. Okay, so now it's got a cooldown built in. Let's see if this works at all. Oh, I should put blocks down, so I can't see if I'm moving or not. It is not moving. Interesting. Back with my burger. Nice. Hope it's a tasty burger. No. That's alright. We wrote a bunch of code and didn't test it. I tried asking it nicely to move. I mean, I guess now we're testing it. Okay, so current mouse drag, it is probably being set. Hope that prints out nicely for me. There, now we're trying it nicely to ask it to move for us. Okay, so these values are like full integers that go anywhere from like 20 to like 70. But like even a slight mouse movement is like probably pretty high. Yeah, I think 1 is the minimum value, it seems. So to that I almost don't need a dead zone. I think we like can't have these things like in the same spot essentially. It's just not working. Where's my mouse dead zone? I think we just don't even need this dead zone. And then if the x is greater than 0, it's less than 0. So if we're not moving the mouse, or the inputs are disabled, or mouse move is disabled, or the cooldown is greater than 0, Those all seem like correct correct inputs. Alright. Hey. Oh, it like only does it once. Okay, I see what's happening. This is that other problem we had before. Maybe it is. I'm not actually sure. Hold on. So the cooldown was set and it went down. It's now negative. So moving mouse must be false, I guess. Also, we might actually want a dead zone. I'll bring that back once I figure out what's broken over here. Okay, so... what the hell? I guess we'll just have to debug log every one of these properties. Or do it in the same statement. Okay, so moving mouse is the issue. Is it? Wait. Is it just like I'm not focused on the game window and it's not... No. And the thing is, like, it detects it once, which is weird. Did I put moving mouse in the wrong spot? But then why would it go off once? Like, none of this makes any sense. Mouse rotate camera drag dot performed. Moving mouse equals true. Do we call this? No, we only call this here when the action's canceled. Why though? But like, why? Why is it spam calling that? Alright, if I take out this mouse moving check, or moving mouse check, does this completely shit the bed? Should have never deleted the code I had here. I should have just set the variable to 0 all along. How horrible is this going to be? Well, now it doesn't move at all. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. That sucks. Okay, so I think the problem is... Wait, no, it does update. It does call update cursor. What the fuck, man? I thought we were calling it, like, too late in the update stack. No, we aren't, though. So... What the fuck? This is a shit show. What the fuck, man? What does the other move method have that this doesn't? Is there a crossed wire somewhere? Oh. I don't get it. I do not understand. Where does moving horizontally get set to false? Oh, okay. Now I understand. So I think realistically speaking, we just shouldn't check this, because this is not for the sake of like anything. I still have no idea why moving mouse is like not a reliable variable. That might explain why the rotation's a little weird. Nyum. Alright, well that just went flying from like pressing nothing essentially. Behold my power, chat! Okay, the only problem is this. So, like, this is what I was talking about with the relative stuff. So, like, now, behold, the confusion. Okay, we definitely need to add a key to, like, disable that, and maybe even have it off by default. I don't know. Cool. That should only be a keyboard one. I don't think we need a controller binding for disabling moving stuff via the mouse. The other one I was gonna do is, oh yeah, mouse, wheel, move. This would not be a button, right? This would be a value. Axis. Actually, hold on. Unity. Whoa. Unity. Input actions. Mouse wheel. Value type to vector 2. Gotcha. Okay. And then I guess you just take one of the Y value. Okay, cool. Cool. What buttons are in use? I don't even know. Well, you know how I could know? It's if I do this. Of course, now this is in the way. Crap, I'm gonna need to move everything for this. That sucks. Okay, FR, escape, right click and drag. Alright, I'm thinking V. More parameters. Actually, one sec, chat. I'm gonna stand up and go grab something. Be right back. Grab something. Huzzah! Alright, let's wire these up. Whoa, what is happening with my keyboard right now? Dude, the fucking Phil Collins Donkey Kong song going on right now. Ah. Song is fucking sick. Yeah, I think this is from Tropical Freeze. It's not labeled, so I can't prove that, but... Oh wait, I think the top comment might have the song lists. Never mind. Oh, there's the track list. Where are we at? 1 hour, 18 minutes? Yeah. It's called Scorch and Torch from Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze. It's such a good game. It's kind of amazing how many insanely good games there are in the Donkey Kong, like, franchise. Except DK64, fuck that game. That's all. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. King of Swing was my favorite Donkey Kong. Nice. I'm not even sure I've played that one. Maybe, hold on. Oh yeah, Game Boy Advance. I have never played this. I know what that game is, but I've never actually played it. Heard people say really good things about the one that's like a platformer that uses the Donkey Kong bongos in the GameCube. I never played that one either. Oh. That's why it's angry. Alright, so that'll just be a toggle. The fucking bongos, yeah. I played the music, the, like, rhythm bongo game once at my friend's house. It was kind of fun. But I was really into rhythm games back then, so that might be biased. Also, check this out. I know no one redeemed a desk clutter, but speaking of Game Boy Advance, I've got one right here. In fact, it is my childhood Game Boy Advance. It's even got my name in a, whatever thing, label maker stuck on the back. I love desk clutter time. Nice. Beautiful console, indeed. It's quite fun. It's even got a copy of, Muppet Pinball Mayhem. I don't think that's mine, but whatever. When my parents dropped it off, They said, well, we don't have any Game Boys to play it in, so here, it's yours now. Like, alright, whatever. If only I could find my Game Boy games, which, among other things, includes a copy of Resident Evil Gaiden. Okay, disable inputs. Ignore it if the inputs are disabled. Otherwise... There we go, read value. Oh, I missed the R. I also might have... did that incorrectly. We'll see. We'll see if I got that backwards. I don't know if I should also respect the mouse move disabled setting here. Oh, I don't need this debug log anymore. This can go away. Boom, first try, baby! Okay, so we can still move by mouse, but if I press the V key, I can no longer move by mouse. Scroll still works though. I think the scroll is fine. The reason I want to have a key to like disable the movement with the mouse is like, again, you may not, even if you're not using a controller, you might just want to only use the keypad, and if you bump your mouse and it keeps making your cursor fly all over the place, then, you know, probably not the best experience. There might be like there's like a delay or something. Like the keys have to catch up. I have to like press it twice. Not sure what's up with that. But you know what, I'm calling this good enough. This is solid, man. Fuck yeah. Alright. That's exactly what I was missing. Okay, and yeah, when I rotate the camera, it doesn't keep moving the cursor. Good, good, good. By the way, I need to fix this, but right now if you like pull the code, it's like horribly broken because of the Fmod stuff I did last time. I realized I cannot commit, like... So I have the rights to use the songs I was using, like, in the game, but I can't publish them in like a repository for distribution. So I need to find a solution for that. I think I have a plan. My plan is basically just, so I have this open still, just like basically make an alternate project file that has like just replacement things for all the sounds I can't use, pop that over to the repository, and then just like leave instructions on how to attach the other file into your project. The only thing is that's going to be annoying to maintain as I add more stuff, but I think music is going to be the one thing that I'm not going to need to update a lot, so it shouldn't be that much of a pain in the ass. Yeah, anyway. Those are my plans for that. I say an hour and a half into stream. Okay, move by mouse is done. What's next? Yeah, okay, let's make a reset button for the camera rotation. Where is the camera? Oh, here we go. Wait, which thing are we rotating when I rotate? Is it the outer? I don't even know. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it is the outer. So really, we just need that back at 0, 0, 0. Cool. Oh no, we're out of Donkey Kong music. Let's go with 45 minutes of Kirby music to make you feel even better. Kirby music has proven to not be like the best for game dev streams, at least for me. I don't know. It's a little too like manic. Don't get me wrong, I love Kirby music. It's just not the right vibe. But we'll see how this playlist goes. At this point, we're kind of just shooting layups anyway. The thing I just did is like the hard thing. Oh, I forgot to commit the other code, so now I'm just committing both at once. Gasp. Oh well. It's fine. Allow moving the cursor in the editor using your mouse with option disable this. Oh, I need to update the UI for that. I'm gonna put that on my checklist just so I don't forget. Update control explanation. Ah. Oh god. Okay, so a thought just occurred to me. I think we have no more keys left on the joystick. Triggers are up and down, bumpers to change the tile. Bottom, right. Oh no, we still have two more buttons. Okay, top button and left button. Cool. Jesus. I guess top button we'll use for resetting the camera. How do I do this? Okay, so I add like just another thing under this. Cool. Damn it. Add a binding. This binding will be spacebar. Shift. None of these sound right. I don't know. Middle mouse click? No. That's so weird. I'm gonna go with spacebar. Oh, don't break, please. Okay, good. Usually Unity's not too happy when you, like, press something while it's doing something. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with this at all. I think this is fine as is. Ah. I'm wondering if I should have like another thing too, like if you keep holding the button, it'll actually like reset the camera back to like the 0, 0 position. Oh no, wait, that would not be good because it needs to. Well, hell, it wouldn't do anything. I need to move the cursor back to 0, 0, 0, which is, I don't know, that's a bit weirder. I can think about that later if I want to add to this, but I think resetting the rotation to 0 is helpful, especially because things are not, like, relative to the way the camera's facing right now. Oh dear God. Okay, resetting the camera's not going to be super simple, but hold on, I think I got this. Oh right, I intentionally left a thing there. Go on and spam my error logs, or debug logs. Oh, shoot, I have to rotate it once, damn it. Fuck errored at me. Oh, right. Vertical look rotation equals 0. Okay, so vertical look rotation 0 is... So we'll want to reset that to 0. And... oof. So this one I just want to set it, right? Applies rotation. Oh, shoot. Hold on a second. There's got to be an easy answer for this. Unity, reset, rotation on object. Oh, it is just 0, 0, 0. Okay. No, it's not. It's, the quaternion. Sorry, the identity quaternion. Nah, quaternion. Whatever. Yeah, I don't need to do all this math. This is fine. Just reset this to 0. Do this, and then set the Euler angles to, I guess, just this at that point. How does this not blowing up? Oh, go me. I must have like completely burned myself when I was working on the editor at some point. That's gonna be 0. Regardless, whatever, it's fine. Have it do a couple of superfluous math operations just for the hell of it. What frickin' Kirby game is this from? Okay, anyway, before I do that. Hey! It works! You know what? I should test all this stuff on the controller. just a thought. Yep, works there too. Alright, so we need a thing for that. We need a thing for the new mouse controls. Anything else? No, I think we're good other than that. Oh, and placing tiles. Yep. Awesome. Man, you know, this feels like a breath of fresh air. This is all stuff like, oh, I'm dreading doing this, like, I don't want to do it, and man, I'm so glad I did. Straight up. It's only been like an hour and a half, and I've knocked out so many things that have just been eating at me in the editor for like so long. Not that anyone's asked, but if anyone's wondering about that error, it's because we're loading directly into the editor scene instead of the like startup scene. So it can't. It's trying to check my like save settings to see if it should invert the axes when I'm like rotating the camera, because that's like a config setting you can set in the menu. But it hasn't loaded that, and it has no reference to it, so it's just like, hey, what the hell? So there's nothing to fix there per se, other than I could go launch it from the editor, or like the actual startup scene, then that wouldn't fire off. Oh, crap. Definitely don't need to log that 10 million times. Right, so reset camera button is done, other than it needs a needs an explanation in the menu. So I think I may shelve the idea of moving the cursor relative to where your camera's rotated for tonight, and then making the blocks glow. I don't know about that. I don't know if I want to do that. Like, period. That might not be the right call. I need to think more on that. And then just the camera... I do eventually want to get the relative camera movement, but that's... it's a lot of math. So that just leaves 2 more things on my checklist. Number 1, update the control explanation. We can do that now. Let me commit this code. Committed, pushed, bada bing, bada boom. Let us update the help menu. So first and foremost, I'm gonna need to move you guys down a little bit. Is 700 gonna be too much? Or not enough? 750, let's be safe. Well, that's why we have a minimize feature, right? Height. Crap. Is that slightly out of range? Yes. Yes, it is. Knew I did my math wrong. So what do we have new? We have... disable the mouse movement. Okay, I might need a little more space. Damn it. Move it down again. And then down here we just have one new thing. We may actually be able to fit that in the boundaries we already have. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Whatever. Alright, hide the controls should be the last one on both of these. I don't know why I was dreading this. This is actually super easy to update. Oh my fucking god. I say it right as I'm like having trouble with it. I could mention something about the mouse, I guess. Dude, why is this like this? I like having the, mouse, the rotation-related controls next to each other. This should say toggle. Because it both disables it and enables it. Fuck. Okay. Control explanation's been updated. So then that just leaves one more thing of allowing you to hold the button down. I could add a thing for like using the mouse to move. I don't know. I don't know how to write that in that tiny window. But yeah, that all fits, so. So, that just leaves us with one thing. I need another cooldown, first of all. Where the hell is my cooldown? Oh, there we go. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this. So we'll have an init cooldown, and maybe that'll be like a full, like a half second, and then we'll just retool this one. Call it hold cursor move down. I'm gonna get rid of mouse move because it's not necessary at all. I could actually merge those other two again. I don't know why that's so fucked up. It works for rotate camera though, so... Oh wait, it might not work for rotate camera because that's more dictated by whether or not you're holding a button down and less what this flag is. But I mean, this flag does matter, it's just not as much. Okay. Here we go. That's what I was looking for. So on move cursor. Instead of that, let's set this thing. Then we'll have it for later. Oh, shoot. So, this might be what's happening with the mouse as well. But I'm worried that, like... Actually, yeah, no, this will be fine, because we'll just, Ooh, okay. I know what we need to do here, and this actually might be a lesson learned for the mouse movement as well, but we do need to check the canceled event, but we don't need to, like, have a flag that flips it on and off. We need to, when it gets canceled, reread the value, because there might still be some movement in one vector, but not the other. So, like, for example, if I'm holding the W key to move forward, but I let go of the A key because I'm not moving to the left anymore, I need to update that. But beyond that, I just need to read this vector, and I should be okay. Getting rid of that to-do statement because that's exactly what we're doing right now. I realized one flaw with this, but we can fix it. Actually, that should really be up here. Oh. Why is it mad? Alright. Disable inputs. Or... you need to check the cooldown. Unless... unless we set this flag that overrides that. It's just my... Alright, so ignore cooldown is greater than... Yeah, don't ignore cooldown, and cooldown is greater than 0. And if we moved, set the cooldown to whatever cooldown we use here. Move cursor by button or stick. And this will be the init cooldown. And we should ignore the cooldown here. And then in the update loop, we just call this again, but we don't ignore the cooldown, and we use the shorter repeat. And I think that'll do it for us. I guess that just inadvertently will mean that the mouse takes priority over the buttons, but... fuck that, other way around. Actually, doesn't matter because they both do the same thing, and they'll both stop each other if one of them's if they won't like repeat the action ever. So we'll need to do a similar thing for the up down, but let me make sure this actually works correctly and that I didn't just break everything. So essentially, what I'm looking for, you stop that. Not sure why that happens. I hold it down. Shit. Doesn't move until I let go. The fuck? It's... oh my god. My computer is exploding. Also, I forgot to do a thing. Oh, wait, we have this. Okay. It's literally the method that was below that one. Oh well. That is not why things are broken, but I would like to see if that behaves any differently now that I've done that. It's a lot stickier now. I don't really understand why. Oh. Weird. It's a weird sequence of events that happens here. Oh, shit. Wait, hold on. Okay, no, that's fine. Why? This should be getting called constantly. And it is. Oh, fuck. Ah, God. I know I had this moving horizontally and vertically thing in here for a reason, but I'm wondering if I need to, like... will this break everything if I take it out? Let's get dangerous, chat. There we go. Schmoovin'. That is kind of funny that with the keyboard input, it's like less than my dead zone if I hold two buttons at once. And by kind of funny, I mean... I wonder if I should change that. Okay, that works fine on keyboard. Is this like fucked up? Oh, that's why this like goes so fast on... Right, now it's coming back to me. It's because this gets called like multiple times with the joystick. Okay, oh, this is gonna be so dumb, but this will work. I'm gonna rename that variable as well, but... This sucks. This really sucks. Oops. Alright, so on the hold, it will ignore moving horizontally and vertically, but on the first one, it will respect it. This is stupid. Stop moving! That's a problem. But that's not something... I mean, that is something I introduced tonight, but... that's not something I introduced just now, that is a mouse problem. Okay, so it's working fine with the controller. And do finely tuned movements, or big sweeping things. Hey. Okay, so you can do precision movement if you like tap it gently, Or you can just go hog wild and... It's like I'm playing Jez Ball. Anyway. Nice. Alright. Certainly an improvement, albeit not perfect, but I'll take that. We need to do verticals now, because right now you can't hold the other buttons down to make it go vertically. So same deal, basically. It's gonna be... Actually, it's not gonna be the same idea at all. Because these are just actually handled completely separately. This I actually can use the cancel to manage a Boolean state, though. Oh wait, and's not or. So for not holding it up or down... Actually, I don't need that in here at all. We need the cooldown check in here, though. You know what? I'm going to allow this. If you press it both ways, then we'll just move it both ways. I'm not doing an else if here. Oh, why did I set that to true by default? Yeah, by default. What did I misspell here? Oh. Yeah, I guess or is a better word there. Alright, that should cover it. I don't need to handle it for the mouse because the mouse is whatever. Oh, the mouse is kind of already handled by what it's got. Huh. Oh, I know exactly what I did. Oh, what? Really? Oh. Wait, what? No. Interesting. We set holding cursor down. We're checking it correctly. We move the cursor down, not up. Oh. Suppose I don't need those. Why would the down one not work and the up one does? What the fuck? It just straight up does not work. I mean, well, I can still press it individually. Just can't hold it down. Now, is that true for the controller as well? I hope so. Yeah. Okay, so same deal. I can hold it to go up, but I cannot hold it to go down. I'm game programming too. Nice. Good stuff, Epio. I think once I finish this up, I am going to switch gears. Thank you for the 11 months, Carly. What's going on in here? I am enhancing my in-game editor. And also,
what's going on in here?
The Kirby music I was listening to just finished. So we need some new stuff. But I already have something queued up, apparently. Pop off, King. Thanks. I'm basically actually done with game dev. I've got like one more thing to figure out, and I don't know... This might take me a minute here, because I'm not sure what the heck is going on. Ah, that's what it is. I'm calling the end event every time you press the button by accident. Did I do that down here too? Okay, no, that's normal, that's right. Okay, no, yeah. I was wondering, because there was that weirdness with the one variable we track. Thought it was Kirby. No, oh yeah, sorry, the Kirby thing just ended. I think this is Animal Crossing music, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it is, from New Horizons. Although, ironically, there is a Kirby song up next. Yeah, it's from, I didn't play New Horizons, so... That's the latest one, right? No, that's New Leaf. No, wait, New Leaf is 10 million years ago. Animal Crossing series. Oh, show me the frickin' games. New Leaf was the 3DS, or the DS. Yeah, 3DS one. There we go. New Horizons is the new one. Thank you. I'm sorry. The last one I played was City Folk, so... you know. That was the... Yeah, okay, that is the right one. Also, didn't know this, in the PAL territories, it was called Animal Crossing Let's Go to the City. Yeah, the Wii one, yep. Convinced myself it was still Kirby. Well, it is, again, now we are back to Kirby. Because this is a Kirby song. Even though it's probably the weirdest Kirby song I've ever heard. But it's from a, like, remake of a game. Anyway, I should have fixed all this. I don't know what the hell is going on with that mouse thing, but it's fine. We found a way to make it work without using the mouse, so I don't care about it. Alright, it's working with keyboard. Gaslit Kirby music. Nice. Alright. You can now press and hold buttons. You can even do this. Whee! Now you can make levels 3 times as fast. It's a sort of unintended side effect of the way I set up the button repetition logic. So I set it up like a keyboard where, like, it doesn't just immediately let you, like, repeat press the buttons. So there's like a stagger to it, but once it starts repeating, it does it very fast. So as long as you keep it going, it'll it'll go. I might want to tune these in a bit. Like, this might be a little too fast, but I don't know. Also, I can use the mouse now. Except I almost clicked the like close everything button by accident. Oh shoot. Okay. I'm gonna... Left click doesn't do anything right now, right? So I'm just gonna set left click to the, like, place block button. But I'll commit that separately. For no particular reason, actually. Allow holding button... Holding directional buttons in editor to... move more, or move multiple times with slight initial delay, or with slight delay first repeat. That other thing should take me 2 seconds. I just gotta go in here, editor controls, place tile, add a new binding, left click, click, what the fuck? Oh, mouse one. Sorry, left button mouse. Alright, now I should be able to just like, fuck. Yeah, I can just click and drag and I can just place blocks for days, baby. And I can use the mouse scroll to go up and down. And you can't use the entire editor with just the mouse, but I feel like this is a lot more usable. Dope. Definitely still more polish to be done here. This isn't perfect. I mean, you can even see it, because you guys can see my mouse moving alongside it. It's not exactly what you want. I should also probably have the mouse, like, get grabbed by the game or something, so that, you know, your mouse isn't slowly drifting off screen. But I'll put that on the list, but I'm not going to do that tonight, because I don't even know how to do that in general. Alright, allow holding stuff, done. Have editor grab mouse, unless mouse controls disabled, for better mouse experience. Alright, it's on the feature list. I'm gonna commit this. Set left click, or left mouse click to, find left mouse click to place tile action. Alright, folks. Well, that is more than I actually planned to get done tonight. I could do more. I choose not to. Certainly not done with this game by any stretch of the imagination. I think I'm gonna start working on, like, co-op mode in the coming streams, but for tonight, I think I'm gonna cap it here. Stream's not over, but I am gonna take a little break, though, having said that. And then we'll play some games. Yeah. But yeah, if you're just here for game dev, totally understandable. Take care, have a good one. Otherwise, hang tight, give me a sec, I'll take a break, and then we'll play some games.